Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you certain basic terminologies which are used in optical instruments. Yes, optical instruments. Now the first term which is very important is DDV, which is called distance of distinct vision. Now this distance is actually the distance up to which a person can see an object without straining their eyes. Yes, it is the minimum distance at which the person can see an object clearly without straining their eyes. Generally, the value of this is 25 centimeter, but it can vary from person to person. Okay. The second term is U, which is called object distance from optical center of lens or pole of mirror. Now in ray optics, whenever we draw a ray diagram, we either use mirror or lens. In case of mirror, the center, the origin is considered as pole of the mirror, and in case of lens, the optical center of the lens is considered as the origin. So from that, the distance of the object is measured and it is considered as U. Similarly, the distance from optical center or pole, when it is taken for the image, it is called as V. So V is the image distance from the optical center of lens or pole of mirror. The next term is alpha, or called as visual angle. Now let's say an object of height h is placed at a distance of DDV from your eyes, such that the object subtends an angle at your eye. The angle which this is made is called the visual angle, and therefore if we use S is equal to R theta, we can say alpha is theta, S is h, and R is DDV, and therefore alpha is by default h by DDV. The next term is beta, which is called magnified angle. Now let's say if a lens is kept such that the object which is originally of height h start to appear of a magnified height, let's say h dash. So in that case, when we concentrate or look at the image, we can say the eye with the principal axis make an angle such that this height of the image is visible to this eye. This angle at this point is called as magnified angle, and if we use the S is equal to R theta formula, here S is h dash, R is V, and theta is beta, and therefore beta can be written as h dash by V. Now please remember, this is general formula, not specific to every sum, but yes, in general we can use it something like this. Now the last term which you need to know and memorize is called magnifying power or angular magnification, which is nothing but the ratio of magnified angle to the visual angle. So as I say, the important terms are DDV, distance of distinct vision, U, object distance, V, image distance, alpha, visual angle, beta, magnified angle, and magnifying power or angular magnification as beta upon alpha. These are some important terms which you need to learn before you start learning optical instruments. So see you guys in the next video for simple microscope.